Hello student. So in the PE physical education we are did the major games in that significance of physical education volleyball we are completed, right? So in this year this is a all year portion. So each one part you have to know one lesson for the your first semester examination. Okay, so first two you all learned, right? So already you are completed a classwork also. Now we are move on to the athletic parts. Athletic after yoga, like that I will continue. In this 6 year is there 5 lessons, 3 for first semester, remaining 2 for next semester. Okay, so first next you have to move on to the third unit put an athletics. Athletics you have middle and long distance race. Okay, so you have to put chapter 3 only for this. So what is athletic games? First you have to know athletic events that includes activity that what they do, they're going to improve our physical and mental capacity. Okay, they're going to improve our physically and mentally, they're going to improve. Now next, what is mean by middle and long distance races? In the sense, these are the events that going to include just running your running, jumping, throwing. Okay, by walking also, that all included here. Okay, middle distance running race events, that is so 100 meter, 200 meter, like that you are covering the less distance, remember. Okay, like 800 meter, 1500 meter. In 100 200 meter in the school level we are conducting, but in the international level they are consider 800 meter only less distance. Okay, don't confuse that. Long distance races that include 5000, 10,000, like that. Okay, here what it is participating, no, that members should have a lot of endurance, means they have a lot of ಸಹನೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಲೆಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ 800 meter, 1500 meter and 3000 meters are considered as what? Middle distance races. Okay, now come to the long distance races. That runner should even how much it is cover distance? 5000 meter, 10,000 meter. Okay, so that is more than that. In the marathon, off marathon, you all heard, right? So in the TV event you will see that 3 days 4 days event, that is they're running successfully, they reach that goal, right? That is how much kilometer they are reaching? To 21.098 kilometer. In the marathon, remember how much the kilometer they will reaching? Not 1 to 3 kilometer. You know, for walking only 1 to 3 kilometer we are get a tired, right? But they are need a practice for them. Okay, marathon how much distance they will cover? 42.195 kilometers. Okay, are considered as long distance. Name itself indicate. Middle distance means short distance, remember. Long distance running events, that is long distance they are going to covering, like a kilometer is there. Okay, so now how to start that event, that race? All that middle and long distance races that started by the group, you know, they will have a particular track for the middle distance races. For long distance they just fix that starting and ending point, right? There is a specific rule for this, how to reach that along with the track, right? And also that runner should know that how they are going to utilize their energy approximately, how that they going to use that, and how they going to run in the race rhythmically, and arms and leg movement should be how they are going to adjust properly for the competition, right? If they get a mental and physical tiredness, in that sense they will use that strength for that. Okay, change the track, and they're going to utilize the time also, no? So by using the movement of hands and legs, right, they're going to rhythmically move their legs. That starting time they are going to go slowly, after that finishing, right, finishing time they're going to run faster, like the tricks they will using, right? So that all it include. And that how the rules of this competition, see here they are going to starting the race, they will be usually in the group only, remember. With the higher than the number of lanes there will be, means track they will be built, and that track they're going to start the race, right? So next, what are the rules? All the events of the run in a group, all the events means who are the competitors is there, no, they all run in the group only. They're going to run the competitor more than 12 is there, means they're going to divide it into two groups and made the race to start simultaneously with a split of time. Okay, so next, starting the race, what is the comment they will give? You already know. On your marks, get set go, set time, they are started to run, no? Here, what is that comment? Remember, on your mark. Okay, on your mark, in the sense they're going to start in the track by, and that command, what they do, runner place his strong leg toe on the command, right? On your mark, he going to start with his knees slightly fixed and upper body will be slightly bending forward, right? So they start in that time. The sitting position you already know, no, in that, right? You also participating, you also know how you are going to, in that, before saying that, on your mark command, you are going to slightly bend forward, right? As soon as they are signal they start the race, he should swiftly perform his arm action and place his first step with his rear foot, right? Near foot, foot side, they are going to start there. All right, so here also they will competitor going to allow to touch and or cross the starting line if any space behind the starting line by hand or by the leg during the on your mark. Okay, so lap score means the eventers, they going to run 2-3 times, no, they going to scores will be recorded. Okay, that after how it is finishing the race, you know that, so result of the competition is declared by the judge only, right? They, how they are going to finishing, that judge, they are going to finish operate for finishing start, which is placed inside in the track in the line with the finishing line 5 meters away from the first lane. Okay, they're going to give a line. All the judge operate of the same place and decide upon order of finishing. How they are going to competitors touch that finishing line, they're going to decide it who is that winner and that. Okay, the place of allotted participated in order in which their torso or chest cross the inner edge of the finishing line. They're going to judge it, right? So how it is starting and finishing race, you have to remember. So along with that, you need to know what are the strategy of middle and long distance races, means what are competitor, what are the things they are required starting time. Before that, on the track they sit, they're going to do some warm up exercises, right? They are going to perform some warm up exercises, wear appropriate sports costume, comfortable one they wear, right? So running in the near edge is appropriate. At that finishing time, they're going to make a speed, they're going to use the trick to finish that, and wear shoes appropriate to the track surface, right? The running in the first lane of the track is a track is appropriate. Then that at the end of that long distance they reaches, they're going to make their speed pick up, right? They're going to pick up the race. So this much you have to remember. Along with that, you need to know some details. In that 2018 the record they are given here. So international, national and international level men sections, okay, men who are going to get the prizes here for 800 meter, 1500 and 3000 meter. These are what? Middle distance running. For long distance, 5000, 10,000, off marathon and marathon. Some members name is given in our state, nationally and internationally. Just you have to, no need to remember how much for the time they're going to finish, just you need to know the names of them. Okay, so international and national level. Men section, at least 5 members names you need to remember. Like that, women section also given. For men section, see Damodar Gowda, in our state only I will say. Okay, Satya Narayana and Arun D'Souza, Parasappa, KM Suresh only here again. In that they going to in the participating in long distance race. KM Sitaraman. Okay, like that. In the national, Sri Ram Singh, Rajasthan, is in the Rajasthan. Bahadur Prasad, Delhi. Surendra Singh, Uttarakhand. Bahadur Prasad, Delhi one. Then Surendra Singh, Santosh, Shivanath Singh, Bihar. So like that, so many members' names are there. Just you need to remember in our state one. Okay, so 5 members' names you need to remember. Like that, women section also you need to know that 5 names. Okay, middle distance race for, long distance race for women's in that international national record is Rosa Kutti, Punjab. Okay, then again Rosa Kutti only in that middle distance race. Next, Rosa Kutti, then Shraddha Rani. Next, these are in the middle distance. From the long distance race for, remember the name uh, Tivam Tippava Sannaki, Tip, Tip, Tippava Sannaki. Next, Shreya Deepak. These names you. The two also same name. Here Rosa Kutti